Hello everyone, we're going to install Python on your machine, so go ahead and open up your favorite browser and go navigate to python.org. When you go to python.org, you will see a Downloads tab, and I'm running Windows here, so go ahead and click on Windows. The current release as of this video was Python 3.8.1, so go ahead and click on that link and scroll down towards the bottom of the page. And in this you'll see a number of files. Go ahead and click on the installer you prefer. If you have a 32-bit machine, there's a traditional x86, or 64-bit, the x86-64 installer. I've chosen the executable installer. It takes a little while to download. It's about 25 megs, so just be patient and let it download onto your system. We've been sufficiently patient and it's downloaded, so go ahead and open it up. And there's an install now button. Personally, I like to make sure that Python 3.8 or whichever version of Python you're installing is added to your path variable. There's a checkbox at the bottom of the installation window. Go ahead and check that off, and then you can click Install Now. You'll get a user access control prompt that comes up, and then the setup will progress. And once the installation is finished, you should see a successful notification. I also like to disable the path length limit. If you choose to click that, your system will be able to support over 260 character paths. Once you finish that, you're all installed. So go ahead and run the command prompt, cmd. And if you type in Python, you should see Python come up with the current version. In this case, I'm just printing hello to the screen, and it's going to interpret my output and show it to the user, and then I will exit. Congratulations, you have Python installed.